And into the very reasonable 10-minute queue line we go. And there it goes. Up round into that massive turnaround, a huge airtime hill which yeets you at the back. And now one of the best inversions in the world, the 0G stall. Huge upside down airtime there. Oh, I can't wait to get back on this. Oh, well, that was a proper fierce ride near the back of Zadra. They couldn't quite get back row. I was beaten to it, but man, that's so much fun. I'll tell you what, in this weather, it is absolutely hauling around that track. The big airtime hill, which usually gives you a little bit of float out, that was full blown, like 4 seconds out of the seat that time. Yeah, really hauling around. The pacing of that's fantastic. The 0G stall's awesome. The drop's great. The first airtime hill was great. That little switch up banked hill towards the end, that's such a good roller coaster. I'm not sure if it quite cracks my top 5, but it is right on the edge. Yeah, if you can get over here to ride Zadra, I mean, obviously you've got 4 really big coasters here at Energylandia, but that's the one. Oh look, it's Merlin's Wonderland. I wonder if they serve Aramark food. And here we go, into the longest queue line of all time for one of the best roller coasters in Europe. What's this guy saying? You should like the video, man. That's a typical night accent, by the way, because they all spoke like that. Well, Zadra just smacks, doesn't it? It's just fierce all the way around. Relentless, great pacing, 0G stall's amazing, drop does the job, the airtime hill does the job, and it just feels like it's running so raw right now. I noticed it yesterday as well. It felt a lot more fierce than it did a couple of years ago. Yeah, love it. Top tier coaster that is. So I'm going to go straight back around for round 2. Unfortunately, the gate was closed, so I'm going to have to walk around 14 miles to get there, but probably worth it because Zadra is hench. Oh, Zadra's a beefy boy. I do really like that roller coaster. So nobody seems to have noticed that the music has got jammed and it's just repeating the same note at 500 BPM. Sounds beautiful. Zadra chain return geek shot. Zadra is absolutely hauling around that course right now. Every element delivered, even the airtime hill, which often doesn't, proper had me out of the seat for 3 or 4 seconds. It's such a good roller coaster and essential, I think. If you're a coaster enthusiast and you haven't come out here to ride Zadra, you are missing out, because it is one of the best. It really is. Well, I finished my 2-day Energylandia binge with another ride on Zadra, and it is comfortably the best roller coaster here, I think. Even though Hyperion is also very, very good, Zadra just is a bit special. Just joined the queue, as you saw then, for Zadra, one of the best roller coasters in Europe. Really excited to get back on this. It's one of them coasters I can just ride over and over and over again, even in this deeply unpleasant cold temperatures. I think this is going to be awesome. So let's go ride Zadra in the fog, in the snow. It looks so creepy and menacing. Well, Zadra is an absolute animal of a roller coaster. Running it a little bit slower than usual just because of the weather, I think, but up the back there, that's still an absolutely intense experience. The gate behind me is open, so I don't have to traverse the whole queue to go back on. So I'm going to go back around for another ride, stick my stuff back in the lockers and enjoy some Zadra while I can. It's such a beast. RMC know what they're doing, don't they? Well, a second ride on Zadra there, that time at the front. It's such a beast, isn't it? RMC have delivered one of the best roller coasters in Europe there. It absolutely glides around, it's smooth as glass, yet still being incredibly forceful. I love that thing, it's awesome. How nice does it all look around here? Let's go do Zadra in the dark. It appears to have absolutely no uplighting at all. It is going to be a pure dark ride. This is going to be fierce. Well, there's some minor uplighting, but it just looks really dramatic against the night sky, doesn't it? I can see on the camera here, it looks way lighter than it does in real life. Oh, it looks awesome. Cannot wait to get on this and experience that amazing zero-G stall. Well, 2 consecutive night rides on Zadra, and what an absolute animal that is. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is absolutely Baltic on there, but what a machine. And the last week I've ridden some of the best roller coasters in Europe in the dark. I mean, this, Voltron, Wodan, all exceptional night ride experiences. And that's why it's so disappointing we don't get more parks open
at this time of year when we do have the early evenings, because it is such an awesome experience to be able to ride these things at pitch black. I'm watching it go around now, almost envious that I'm probably not going to get another ride in it, because I think I want to go down and do Hyperion. I'm out of breath from that. 2 in a row, it does take it out of you, because it is an absolutely savage machine. But yeah, well worth coming here to Energylandia for Winter Kingdom just to experience Zadra at night. And the park lit up looks wonderful as well. You see it as you're whizzing around the Wonder Wheel behind me and whatnot. Yeah, an amazing experience. Zadra is definitely one of Europe's best.